Addgene is a nonprofit life sciences organization that exists to advance discovery and innovation.
We started Addgene to solve the logistical problem of scientific sharing.
It wasn't that scientists didn't want to share. There wasn't an infrastructure at that time.
When a researcher develops a new plasmid, they can deposit it with Addgene just one time without any additional work for them. Our team removes administrative burdens by working with tech transfer offices to put transfer agreements in place. Each plasmid is archived in triplicate, in 2 separate locations on-site and 1 off-site. Every sample is barcoded and tracked so we always know exactly where each copy is. Every plasmid is fully sequenced to ensure that what goes into the repository, and ultimately into scientists' experiments, is exactly what it should be. Once quality control is complete, the plasmids go live on addgene.org, where they become part of our searchable, curated collection. It's here that researchers can use our tools to find the best option for their experiments. Our lab and logistics team quickly prepares and packs the plasmids for distribution, managing everything including special import and customs requirements, making it easier than ever for scientists everywhere to access the tools they need to accelerate their research.
We have a collection of 160,000 plasmids and growing. These are DNA-based reagents that are collected from scientists all around the world. And we also provide plasmid-derived, ready-to-use materials like viral vectors and recombinant antibodies. And we also have helpful data.
People can start to make discoveries even just based on the data itself that's being shared.
We recently rolled out a developers portal, which is really, really exciting. Who knows, there's a secret treasure in there in our catalog, and we want people to find those.
What Addgene does is really to amplify the collaboration that is already present in the scientific community. When you give us a call, send us an email, you have an opportunity to talk directly with one of us here at Addgene.
So this kind of community is something that we want to keep fostering and serving in whatever way we can.
There is fantastic research happening in regions of the world that are under-resourced. Because of the vast network that we have of scientists around the world that work with us, we can also provide connections to collaborations.
This reduces the barrier by allowing other scientists to start using those tools really quickly, and Addgene makes them available at a low price,
so that everyone around the world can benefit from research.
The sharing of cutting-edge technology is what Addgene does. Scientists often deposit their materials before they're even published because they want their materials to come out simultaneously with the publication.
Everybody is excited about their new tools. There's a buzz in the office whenever a new research tool that hasn't been available before is now going to be distributed through Addgene.
Looking ahead, I see Addgene continuing to evolve with the scientific community to serve their needs.
Addgene's catalog historically has been primarily used and accessed by researchers for academic research, but we are growing tools in our catalog to make them available for industry, for pre-commercial, preclinical research. And those research tools are needed for applications that will eventually end up treating patients for disease.
And so Addgene really is able to offer the most cutting-edge tools just as they are coming out to the world.
Our role has been to provide easy and fast access to a vast collection of expertly curated, high-quality, authenticated materials that allow scientists to advance discovery and innovation. And our purpose hasn't changed in 20 years. We still exist to advance discovery and innovation by helping scientists do their research more easily, quickly, and reproducibly.